Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make very quick and easy two different ways to create earrings. The first one is a simple way, and this is the second. Basically, it's pretty much the same as the first one, except I add some beads on the top. If you like, keep watching. Alright, these are the materials that you need. You will need a round Swarovski rings, which has holes on both sides like that, and you do need a pin, flat, and 4 Swarovski Margarita of your choice. These are 8mm, a pair of pliers, and the loops, and then an earring hooks. Alright. So first you're gonna start insert the you take a pin, insert a pin, and whichever color you want first. Here I use more like silver gray, and then more like brown red, just alternating them, and then carefully pull it back, and then insert back to the top of the hole. And I love this tool, I use it a lot. So all you have to do is insert that through the hole, and then you just pin it, and that's it. So you do also need a flat pliers, flat nosed pliers, just to kind of like sharpen it a little bit, make the loops more round and the edges less sharp. So then you take your earring hooks, and you open your earring hooks, and then you just put it there, and then just close it. I think that's adorable. Isn't that cute and adorable earrings? It's very easy to make. Okay, another way to, let's see how it looks to finish the earrings. So here I use all 4mm round crystals. I don't have in white, in crystals, so I use 2 bicones. So whichever you want, you can use all bicones or you can use all round. It's up to you. So what I'm gonna do is, again, the color, whichever you like, I don't think it matters. Same thing, I use the same tools, and I just cut them. Okay, after you cut all these, I just take the flat nose plier and just kind of like fix the edges, because some of them the edges is kind of sharp. Okay, now I have all 5 of these. So I take these that after I stack them on top of each other, so it doesn't matter what colors go first. So again, I use the same tools. So this is the simple way, simpler way to wear, quick and easy, and this is just to be more festive.